Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. So to get any of my other free offerings, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, put a comment in the box if you like. So folks, anything on this video is absolutely free of charge, and if you stick to the end, I'm going to add a super bonus at the end of the video. I'll tell you where to get that at the end. So I'm going to tell you this is all free, of course, no PayPal, no credit card details whatsoever. So I'm going to tell you how to get our ultimate affiliate marketing course. Okay, we have the unique tools here, the services and the resources you need to grow your own successful affiliate marketing or home business course. Okay, we've been here for 26 years now, and we've specialized in creating and supporting business owners all over the corners of the world. Alright, and here's what you're going to get: the ultimate marketing tools for every marketer, best-selling training courses anywhere online, plus you get to download over 400 cutting-edge ebooks, websites and more, free. Okay, sign up and get started in under 1 minute. And as a bonus, like I mentioned before, for signing up here, which is free, you'll also get 50,000 direct visitors to any URL. Just show what you can do. There's no charge. Okay, so just get on this one, guys. I'm not sure how long I can keep this offer going for again. So to claim our free Get Our Ultimate Affiliate Marketing course, alright, and the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors, plus you get to download over 400 cutting edge ebooks. Okay, you get all this free of charge. All you've got to do, folks, is click that link below this video. Alright, and you get everything free. No PayPal, no credit card details required. So if you want to hear any more offerings that I may have free, most of them are free. Okay, there are some paid ones. Like you see, I don't dress my videos up, they're just straight to the point. So get on this, folks. Subscribe to my channel if you want any more freebies, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that link below for your goodies.